All right. Good evening. Hello, everybody. Welcome to our Tuesday evening, our regular Tuesday evening again. I had to dredge out my archives a little bit to remember what I had been covering, but we've been covering the immune system over the past few weeks. And we've gone through what is the immune system? Why do we need it? How do we feed it? Because feeding it is a huge part of keeping it strong. And then we started on how or what supplements we need to boost it if we aren't getting the food. So remember that all of these recordings are recorded and uploaded to my YouTube channel. So if you need a refresher, please feel free to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And every time I put up a new recording, you will automatically get notified. Go back, check it out. And you can always rehash over what I've covered in the past. But if anybody is wanting to see the original part of what I did, I do keep all of my PowerPoints, and I'm more than happy to share them with you via email. So let me know privately, and I'll happily send it out to you. Let me share my screen. There we go. Okay. Just going with the slideshow. All right, so we are covering the last section of our immune system, the what, the why, and the how. And we've done the what and the why. And now we're covering the how as far as the supplements are concerned. We've covered a couple of them, including things like Beta-Guard and carotenoid complex and the Cruciferous Plus. And we're continuing to have a look at what does Neolife recommend. Now, the Phyto Defense Pack is a combination of a few products, namely the carotenoids, the flavonoids, and the cruciferous. And as I said, the last time that I did this, we did cover the carotenoids and the cruciferous. Tonight, we're going to cover the flavonoids. Why do we need flavonoids? What are flavonoids? Flavonoids, or flavonoid-rich foods, include vegetables, fruits, herbs, and spices, and they all offer some quite amazing health benefits. Now, research links diets abundant in flavonoid-rich fruits, vegetables, tea, and wine with reduced risks to overall well-being. Now, flavonoids are water-soluble antioxidants. Carotenoids are fat-soluble antioxidants. Flavonoids are water-soluble. So they work best on things like the sinuses, the nasal passages, the lungs, etc. And flavonoids are technically a type of vitamin C. And if you mix the flavonoids with the vitamin C, you're essentially getting a double whammy and a much better result. So you can use that as a combination. As water-soluble antioxidants, flavonoids help protect the body fluids from oxidation. And they promote optimal well-being in ways distinct from the actions of other dietary factors, which is why they combine the carotenoids, fat-soluble, with the flavonoids, water-soluble, with the carotenoid, at least with the cruciferous, which works on the breast and prostate tissue. So Neolife's flavonoid is a broad-spectrum water-soluble nutrient supplementation. It contains flavonoids representative of all flavonoid classes, including flavones, flavonols, flavonones, anthocyanins, and catechins, as they naturally occur in human food chain fruits and vegetables. So Neolife doesn't just use one product, one food source So they don't just use the fruits, they don't just use the veggies, they don't just use tea, they use everything. The whole food ingredients are a blend of flavonoid-rich extracts and concentrates is derived from whole cranberries, kale, green tea, which is decaffeinated, beets, elderberries, red and black grapes, oranges, lemons, and grapefruit. And it has an added vitamin C for an enhanced absorption. Laboratory specified amounts of key flavonoids. Flavonoid complex has been tested to confirm the presence of specific flavonoids for which substantial research demonstrates benefits. So they don't just say, yes, we've got flavonoids in here, and they come from known sources. They've got specifics, and they can isolate those specifics. So we don't use isolates. Remember, you do get isolate compounds, but they don't just use the isolates. They use the nature sourced or food sourced products, but then they isolate the most important ingredients and they mix all of that together into the supplement. And it delivers an ellagic acid as well. It's closely related to the flavonoid family because ellagic acid is an antioxidant phytonutrient found in cranberries, grapes, etc. In other words, you'll find ellagic acid in red wine, amongst other things. They also use green tea extract, and they've got hundreds of clinical studies that show green tea flavonoids are missing in many diets and may well benefit well-being. Because I don't know about you, but I don't generally drink green tea. When we South Africans drink tea, it is usually a black tea or a bush tea, as in rooibos tea. Not too many of us drink green tea, and I'm speaking for myself on this one. That